look good. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Hi, hello everyone. I am Komal Thakur and you're watching my channel KTVT. So yeah, I think this is gonna be my first video which I'm gonna upload apart from shorts, obviously. Yeah. So this video is gonna be a haul video for art and craft products because I bought so many items. I thought let's make a video out of it, and it could also be my first video because why not? Okay, I won't waste any more of your time. Let's get in the video. Yep, so I've got something. Let's check what this is. This is a knife set, painting knife, if you know. And I have seen like so many videos of knife painting because the 3D effect it gives. So I've got 5 knives, yeah, and smallest one, then this one, then this one, and yeah. Let's see our next item. I've got something. Actually, I've already cut these open so that it won't waste your or my time while making video. So yeah, this is heavy. Oh, nice. This is a mirror set, if you can see. This is rectangular mirrors and we have like 12 types of mirrors. Okay, they have also given a glue which was not mentioned in the product description. Yeah, but I like it because I was ordering this glue and it costed me around 45 to 50 rupees, but the delivery charges were 60 to 70 rupees, I think. So the delivery charges were more than the actual product. Who will buy it? I prefer to buy online because they just deliver it to your house, which is easier for people like me. I'm very lazy. Introduction की ज़रूरत ही क्या है, सब तो मैं वीडियो में बता दे रही हूँ. Okay. Next up, I have this. So the name is Factor Notes watercolor book. Like you can paint on this notebook. Next up, I have. Oh, I forgot something. I have one more item in this packet. I got these cute little cutters. ये सब मैं खोलूँ क्या? One minute. Yeah, you can open it like this, and then you can cut. Okay, बंद कर देते हैं. Okay, so there were 3, but I have already used one. So this is pink, white, and the other one was powder blue. Yeah, that one I'm using because that didn't look so good. So I thought कि अगर वो खो भी जाएगा तो कोई issue की बात नहीं है. ये मैं आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में यूज़ करूँगी. Next up, oh, I love it. This is actually as per my sister's demand. This is not art and craft. So they retail for 99 rupees, but the seller charged 80 rupees for delivery also. But since there were 5 sets and these are made of steel, yeah. So I thought, okay, fine, let's buy it. Okay, next up we have these are mandala and clay molding tool set. देखा नाम मुझे सारे याद है. So they have given me, see, these are 5 dotting tools. Then at the back, I'm not opening it because then it will be a very long video and you might not watch it. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'll show you these. ऐसा ऊपर से मैं दिखा दूँगी, and then I'll give you the review in my actual videos of art and craft, so that you will keep watching me. Yeah. So see, these are the clay molding tools. These ones, gole, and then these are rollers of different sizes. I hope you could see them. Otherwise मेरी वीडियो का वेट कर लो. तुम लोग बोलोगे हॉल वीडियो तो कर रही है, बट कुछ शो ही नहीं कर रही है. सॉरी, इट्स ओके, मैं ऐसी हूँ. Yeah, my favorite, like the most favorite thing. This is a brand called RTOs, and this is a paintbrush set. I searched for like good brushes because I don't know why I don't paint so much, but I wanted good brushes. लेना है तो अच्छा क्यों नहीं लेना है. So they gave me, I think 7 का set है ये. I think there has been a confusion. They have given me 2 different sets. I only ordered one. Like it has all types of brushes. Let me check. किस्मत तो नहीं अच्छी होगी, होती तो नहीं है. See, I had ordered mixed set of 8 brushes by RTOs, but they have given me flat and pointed brushes का set extra. फर्स्ट टाइम, लाइक लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम कुछ अच्छा हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ अच्छा हुआ है कि कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मिल गया. आई एम सो हैप्पी. आई एम गोना गिव देम 5 स्टार इवन इफ दे डोंट वर्क. नहीं, दे आर एक्चुअली एक्सपेंसिव बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बाय पेंट ब्रशेस ऑफ रुपीज़ लाइक वर्थ 5 रुपीज़, 10 रुपीज़, 15 रुपीज़, एंड दीज वंस आर फॉर 695 रुपीज़ फॉर 8 brushes. सो अगर मैं 8 brushes तो more than 50 rupees for one brush. Yeah, expensive. Next up I have, I got one more brush. This is from Artrite Detail Fine Tip Paint Brushes, set of 4 brushes of different sizes. They're going to be good for my nail art and also for painting. सबका रिव्यू सिंगल डिफरेंट वीडियो में होगा. एक और अलार्म बज गया. Can you believe I have to shoot within 15 minutes? That is why I'm very quick. Okay, we have only few items left. So this is a Fevicryl का white paint and बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाले हैं मेरे हिसाब से, because I either like white. I mostly like white actually. So yeah, white आ गया है. Black hasn't been delivered yet. So next up I have Fevicryl molded kit. Like, how can you use it? It has 2 different clays. You have to mix them up and then like make a dough and then roll it and use it however you want, mold it and make your art and crafts. So this is a big box. Okay, so this is Pitlite combo kit of acrylic colors, and it has acrylic colors, glass colors, 3D outliners and fine art canvas. It also gives you a canvas and one brush. These are 3D outliners and they have all sorts of colors. This is something green and they have glitter in it. Silverish, again glitter ones, red, pink. I'm gonna go with red. Looks promising. Next up I have pearl metallic colors. They have given us 4 colors. This is golden, metallic rust, silver, copper. Next, acrylic colors. 6 basic colors like sap green, crimson, lemon yellow. Lemon yellow, beautiful, but looks good. Then we have ultramarine blue. So this is black is just black, no jet black, no. Next, these are glass colors, black, and this is a nozzle. You can open it and put the nozzle and then start using it. And then they have different colors. These are all the colors. And next, the basic 12 colors ka set. They have given us the shade mixing guide and a painting to color. Okay, good. And these are the 12 colors. I hope they won't fall. Shades. This is the paintbrush, the basic paintbrush. Okay, and last but not the least, come on, this is the canvas. This is the canvas. Here you have to paint. Okay, so that was all for this haul video and I hope you liked it. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe कर देना please. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Link मैंने description में दे दिया होगा. That's all. Okay. Bye bye butterflies.